Sell this to an Indian Pally. Oh my God, you're an Indian Pally. Can you sell this?
Oh God. Can we name you something?
CM Siddaramaiah.
Puchi, Ku, Chiku.
Why is it? That's milk. That's coffee flavored milk. There's no coffee in it. It's just flavored. It's supposed to be brown.
Let's just do a cheers and just throw it in dustbin, no? Are you gonna lick me today?
Start liking up.
Come. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? I hope आप सब अच्छे होंगे. मेरी तरह एप्पल लिवी चॉकलेट नहीं लग रहे हो. भाई please don't laugh at my outfit because this outfit is not mine. This is Fatima's outfit and I don't have any option. I have to wear this because मेरे पास कुछ ढंग का formals था नहीं. Sorry, my bad. फातिमा के पास कुछ ढंग का formals था नहीं तो I am wearing this. Like it's a good combination. It suits me because I'm fair. But भाई like मैं BI से आई हूँ and it's the last day of the expo and I'm very very happy. And yesterday's concert was like giving. फिलहाल मैं जा रही हूँ अंदर because I want to meet Shivani because I look horrible. I need to do some makeup. So let's meet Shivani. Auntie, hi. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು?
ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ನಿಜ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಪ್ಪ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
ನಾನು ದಪ್ಪ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಾ?
ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು ಅಂತಿದ್ದೆ ಅವ್ನು ಮದುವೆ ಸಣ್ಣಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಕೊಡ್ಸೋಕೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾ ಇವಾಗ ದಪ್ಪ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಾ?
ದಪ್ಪ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನನಗೆ.
ದಪ್ಪ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸಣ್ಣಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ ಸಣ್ಣಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನೇನು ಬಂದಾಗ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಇವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಾನು ದಪ್ಪ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಪ್ಪ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ.
ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಲಿಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಜಿಮ್ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Guys, I feel so like should I feel terrible or insecure because people are calling me chubby? But it's okay. Like ठीक है भाई मैं मोटी हूँ तो हूँ मैं पतली हो जाऊँगी. I am not insecure. ऐसा मेरे चेहरे पे दिख रहा है but I am very insecure. मैं बहुत मोटी हो चुकी हूँ. किसी कुत्ते की बददुआ लगी है शायद. So can't help. Guys, everybody is watching at me and they're like कि भाई 2 दिन ये तो एकदम पटाखा हीरोइन जैसी आई थी and आज इसको क्या हो गया है? आज ये ऐसे क्यों आई है? And I'm feeling very very pathetic but it's okay. I'll fix it up with a little makeup. So am I scared? Am I? Yeah, I am. Guys, Miss Shivani is here. Say hi to the vlog. You know from yesterday how I've been acting like this. Yeah, like this. This is what I'm doing. I've been traumatized because of Shivani L. Gowda. I texted Veeresh and your sister to give me a number.
Yeah.
I forgot to save it last time.
She told.
I was like, what do I do? How do I contact her? How do I tell her bring me some makeup? Because I look horrible.
You don't look horrible or not.
I look horrible, Shah. I have bad skin. Guys, are you all ready? Are you all ready? Na diva. Kudos to Shivani.
I literally had to make a foundation shade myself.
Yeah, she literally invented my foundation shade by herself. So, claps. But bro, I look so nice.
Look at my skin tone, her skin tone. My foundation.
I look so
my skin
nice
tone.
today. I was like confused because this Apple Lip outfit is not giving
Oh
diva.
my God! It just clocked to me just because you said that. I'm really good.
Apple Lip, that's how I look today. I look like I'm going on a date with a Joker kind of guy.
Joker kind of guy is mental.
Mental guy, yeah.
Come, we'll go drink coffee.
Yeah. It's coffee time, guys, and this is how I look. So, am I giving? Am I not? Who cares? Guys, Priyanka Di is here. Are we twinning today?
Yeah.
How do I look? Do I look like Apple Libe chocolate?
What?
Do I look like Apple Libe chocolate? Because this outfit is not
You look
mine.
like that lollipop, bro.
Lollipop.
Yeah. That was that lollipop, by the way. My grandmother used to bring
So
that.
are you gonna lick me today?
Start liking up.
Come.
Come, we'll go drink coffee and come.
Okay guys, me and Shivani have come to some random store for free coffee. She was about to pay and I'm like, bro, no. Free coffee.
I'll get money today.
I already got my payment credited, bro, on the first day.
I don't have to rub that in my face.
I will rub that in your face. Guys, literally हम लोगों ने फ्री की कॉफी ली and ये फ्री की कॉफी की तरह ही है.
Yeah, like where, does it look like a coffee to you? Why is it? That's milk. That's coffee flavored milk. There is no coffee in it. It is flavored. It's supposed to be brown.
Let's just do a cheers and just throw it in dustbin, no? See, I said throw it in dustbin.
But the thing is, I like milk too. Oops. Oops. Then I put 2 packets of sugar. So
पागल कर
I
रहे हैं
waste
पागल हो
that.
जाऊंगी भाई मैं इसके साथ ना. We are gonna take a coffee another stall because this is
I hope that you know what? There's a dustbin with it. Come to.
dustbin. Yeah, bro, there's a dustbin. So we need to put this.
That's it.
Guys, after figuring it out why I wore this outfit and who I'm gonna twin, I thought I'm twinning with Shivani. But no. I'm twinning with the
With the prisoner.
Shuha, with my friend. We both are twinning today.
This one is a
See?
lollipop. This one is a prisoner.
What?
You're a lollipop. This one is a prisoner.
See, bro, like it's like same. But he still looks cute and I don't, so. Nice, bro. You're such a hard-working guy. God bless you. Alright, bye. It's cute. We are going to capture Jyoti's reaction. How do I look today? Zebra cross. I look like apple with chocolate. Guys, we both are like bored. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे आ गए हैं. क्या करने हैं?
I don't even know. Chill.
Are we gonna like
Chill.
इसके साथ रह के ये सीख लिया मैंने. What is this, bro? Who taught you this?
Bro, there was this one guy who kept, doing that shit in his car, calling everybody Pookie. And then I'm like, okay, bro, okay, calm down. But he's not calming down. He's like doing this every 3 seconds. Pookie, stop. I'm done. I hate that word Pookie.
Pookie is a very bad word, guys. Okay guys, I was dreaming like मैं 3 दिन से सोच रही थी कि मुझे ना इस चूहे के साथ फोटो खिंचाना है and this cutie के साथ and I've got the chance and not only the picture I'm also getting the frame so
Like that.
like that yeah so cute is oh I have to go to the jail is there a specific pose that I have to do
Whatever.
I can do anything
Whatever.
in life okay you can match his expressions like can you do that okay so it that's how you look yeah
Like that?
yeah like that this is the best part I mean I'm gonna keep this in my home this lady is so cute no
This lady, no?
yeah unlike us do you want my channel name no I asked him do you want my channel name he's like no KNOW like you wanna know it's Sanjana speaking so my name is Sanjana and I'm speaking it's Sanjana speaking we are a lot of fun guys it's like, are people thinking that we are drunk no this is how we act
Usually, regularly.
and usually also
I don't know if I hit the same. Okay, you know what? Bye.
Guys, इसकी जितनी अच्छी फोटो है अगर मेरी फोटो इतनी अच्छी नहीं आए तो इसकी मैं फोटो फाड़ दूंगी I'll just jealousy on peak but you can make expressions no go there so same you can take his job I'll pay you 2x
You're an Indian baddie. Have you seen the guy?
no
Okay, do this move. Sell this to an Indian baddie. Oh my god, you're an Indian baddie. Can you sell this?
oh god guys why do I look like this I mean why do I look bro I want to do that pose as well that's so cute can we take another picture of me please I will cry
Stop it. Get some help.
he looks cute even I want to look cute I look
Should I
ugly
start singing in my disgusting bad voice? Should I traumatize everybody around me?
like if you say yes God will bless you with 18 crore revenue yes Let's go. My rat is here. I want to take a picture with you. Come, no? We are like twinning today, that's why. Come. Guys, he's such a cutie. See, he's following me. He stopped. He's very cute. I want to take a picture with him. This rat is cute, okay? He's like very cute. But the problem with him is that he's very cute. And I'm dressed like very bad.
Pinks at rat's nose.
He's like very annoying, no? Like he's very naughty.
Naughty boy.
Yeah.
But like I want to pinch his nose.
Pinch his nose, I wanna just slap him.
That rat nose, like it's this big.
I wanna just do this. Yeah.
Did you just do that to me?
Yeah. To my vlog.
Say hi.
Can we name you something?
CM Siddaramaiah.
Can we name you something like some cute name? What should we name him? Puchi, Ku, Chiku.
Mr. Chuish.
Guys, she literally told the rat भैया Mr. Chu. आपका नाम रख दिया उसने Mr. Chuhish. Nice name, you liked it? No.
Yes or no?
Yes or no?
No.
No, Mr. Chuhish is not nice. How about Chiku? How about Chiku? So you guys must be thinking कि ये मेट्रो के अंदर क्यों स्कार्फ पहन रही है. मुझे काले होने का बहुत ज़्यादा डर हो चुका है, इसलिए मैं हर जगह स्कार्फ पहन के जा रही हूँ. मैं फिलहाल घर जा रही हूँ because I want to go home. Did I lose my metro? There we go. I did not miss the metro. I'm smart. Sometimes I feel, am I God's favorite child? Because what happened, I was like, it's okay, I'm gonna miss my first train. And I'm just walking and train is just standing there and I'm like, okay, if you're waiting for me, I'm coming. तो मैं एकदम घुस गई ट्रेन के अंदर एंड एक ही स्टॉप था तो मैं आ भी गई वापस है ना. मुझे चल के जाना पड़ेगा बिकॉज गाड़ी मेरा भाई लेके गया है. आज थोड़ी मजदूरी ज़्यादा होगी. Can't help guys, that's how life is treating me right now. I don't have anybody to give me princess treatments because if you have to give me princess treatment in life, you need money, and if you don't have money, you don't have anything. So get some money. I'm not lying, to be honest. I was just going down and this auntie comes in and she's like, you're looking so nice beta, and I'm like, auntie really? मैं सुबह से रो रही थी कि this is not looking good on me, and she's like, no, with the makeup it looks very nice. And I'm like, auntie thank you just made my day. And अब मेरे को पैदल चलने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बिकॉज आधे घंटे तो मैं यही सोचती रहूँगी कि आंटी ने मुझे सुंदर क्यों बोला, और अगर आंटी ने मुझे सुंदर बोला तो क्या आंटी ने मेरे पिंपल्स देखे या नहीं देखे. I don't know, I'm just so happy. I was just thinking, I was just dreaming about कि am I looking like a apple with chocolate? And then auntie is like, no, you look like so nice with that makeup. And I'm like, thank you. Now I'm happily going home, guys. Guys, अभी अंकिता बताएगी मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ.
अच्छी लग रही है.
ब्रो ये फातिमा का
कलरफुल लग
ये फातिमा का है ब्रो. मैंने उसको फॉर्मल देने बोला. हाँ आंटी ये कैसा लग रहा है आंटी? ये चॉकलेट जैसे तो नहीं लग रही ना मैंने मेरी दोस्त को बोला फॉर्मल दे, उसने मुझे ये दिया.
कलरफुल लग रही है. कलर
है ना. एक आंटी बोलती है कि आप बेटा बहुत सुंदर लग रहे हो. मैं बोला आंटी सच में कितना गंदा लग रहा है. आंटी बोलती है नहीं आप अच्छे लग रहे हो. सब लोग हंस रहे थे मुझ पे.
इवेंट खत्म हो गया जल्दी.
हाँ सब लोग हंस रहे थे मुझ पे. ये क्या नाखून वाखून बढ़ा लिया पूरी लड़की बन. आंटी क्या है ये? नाखून काटो इसके.
दूसरा भी बड़ा नहीं, ये वाला काट दो.
इट लुक्स नाइस ब्रो.
थैंक यू ब्रो.
ओके बाय बाय. वैसे तो मैं ये सब रिकॉर्ड नहीं करती बट आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग दिस इज फॉर दोस पीपल हु से कि what you do, you just go sit there and come back. I have literally worked for like 6 hours. haven't like मैं सोई नहीं हूँ. मैं 6 घंटे पूरे खड़ी थी. मेरे पैरों में दर्द हो रहा है. मैं नंगे पैर चली हूँ 2.5 किलोमीटर्स. ठीक है क्योंकि मेरे पैर में बहुत दर्द हो रहा है. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू गर्म पानी एंड पैर डुबाने वाली हूँ मैं. एंड ये सब कोई नहीं बोलेगा. नोबडी इज गोइंग टू सी दिस स्ट्रगल. मेरे कंधे पे इतना भारी बैग है उसमें मेरे कपड़े जूते सब है. इट्स वेरी हैवी एंड माई कंधा इज़ लाइक almost gone. Nobody's watching this in life. They can just watch my happy stories on Instagram and be like, Sanjana, you're so happy in life. Reality If I tell you what I'm going through, you guys will go mad. You guys will go psychotic. So, I'm going home, by the way.
Well, so I have had enough of sleep. Like मैं 4:30 बजे चली गई थी सोने के लिए एंड फिर मैं अभी उठी हूँ 9:45 को एंड आई रियलाइज आई हैव एन अर्ली मॉर्निंग 5 AM लिटरली मेरा अर्ली मॉर्निंग 5 बजे का इवेंट है मुझे अभी पता चला सो आई एम टेकिंग अ शावर बिकॉज माई हेयर लुक एब्सोल्युटली पैथेटिक तो मैं एकदम नहाऊंगी और नहाने के बाद मैं सो जाऊंगी एंड उसके बाद मैं कल सुबह उठूंगी एंड कल का इवेंट इज गोना बी फन बिकॉज आई एम गोना हैव माई ब्रदर्स विद मी एंड भाई उनके साथ जो मजा आता है बिकॉज दे आर लाइक फन सो इट्स गोना बी फन एंड इफ यू सी माई एक्शंस लाइक दिस इट्स ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ शिवानी I've been with that lady all day and she's like so fun. फिलहाल मैं नहा के रेडी होना चाहती हूँ सोने के लिए पर if you know what to do, if you guys like my today's vlog, आप लोगों को पता है क्या करना है लाइक शेयर कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा. Thank you so much for watching. Good night. Bye bye.